Hey, what's up guys, this is Sabno here. This is the new Oppo Find X8 co-developed with Hasselblad. It has AI telescope zoom, lightning snap, AI photo remaster, Trinity engine X Dimensity 9400 and long battery life. The design is ultra slim, 193 grams, 7.85 mm thick and 16.74 cm screen size. The display is edge to edge with 1.45 mm super narrow even bezels, super high screen to body ratio. It comes in two colors, star grey and space black. It has ultra compact camera module, exclusive alert slider and Cosmos ring design. It has hypertone triple main camera system. Get better colors, more detail and improved light and shadow across a breathtaking 0.6x to 120x zoom range. It has 50 megapixel 3x periscope telephoto, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera and 50 megapixel main camera. It has AI telescope zoom. You can see the pictures at 1x, 2x, 6x and 30x zoom. You can capture every detail with 3x precision. It combines a large sensor, wide aperture, OIS and a new triple prism folded lens into an ultra compact module. You can press and hold dedicated shutter button to capture up to 7 frames per second. Here are the sample gallery of photos. Portraits are captured with extra layered light and natural color, providing a professional and beautiful image even in low light. You can see the two images at f4.5 and f2.5 apertures. There's a new soft lighting portraits option. You can embrace the essence of film with distinctive styles and authentic colors. As I have said earlier, there are multiple portrait focal lengths. There's a live photo option. There's 4K 60 fps Dolby Vision recording on all cameras. You can capture stunning 10-bit HDR Dolby Vision footage without interruption or frame dropping. The new 4-mic array delivers immersive sound. Oppo AI has AI photo remaster features like AI clarity enhancer, AI reflection remover, AI unblur and AI eraser. AI toolbox has features like AI writer, AI replay and AI summary. AI assistant for notes has cleanup and polish, continue writing and formatting made easy options. You can translate and summarize documents and there's a AI reimage feature in AI Studio. The Trinity engine features smart caching that optimizes CPU and system performance, enhancing data access speeds for both CPU and GPU. It also features a powerful software accelerator that enhances performance across tasks, delivering up to 3x improvement in algorithm efficiency for smoother multimedia playback, file decompression, and seamless app launches and switching. This solution improves overall system smoothness by up to 22% and reduces power consumption by up to 8.24% for demanding games and up to 4.5% for video playback. It is a 3nm processor with 35% faster CPU, 41% faster GPU, plus 40% CPU efficiency, plus 44% GPU efficiency and plus 35% AI efficiency. It gives 59.7 FPS on Genshin and 119.6 FPS on PUBG. It has super powerful cooling system with high performance graphite and a vast vapor chamber. It has crisp and immersive haptic feedback. It has Oppo silicon carbon anode battery technology which significantly improves energy density and exceptional resilience in low temperatures. 5630 mAh capacity, 12% capacity improved. It gives 6.5 hour continuous Dolby Vision recording and 5.1 hour minus 20 degrees Celsius continuous Dolby Vision recording. It supports 80 watt Superbook and 50 watt Airbook. It supports Oppo Mag. It has 360 degrees surround antenna, exclusive triple antenna Wi-Fi system and network acceleration at concerts. You can easily connect with iPhone with a gentle tap and share photos, videos, files and even live photos. It has armor shield, high strength Corning Gorilla Glass 7i combined with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. Splash touch algorithm ensures precise touch control. It has 120Hz Pro XDR display with 4500 nits ultra high brightness with 2760 by 1256 resolution. The display has less blue light, less screen flickering and more comfortable color, temperature and brightness with TUV Rainland Eye Comfort 4.0 certification and 3840 Hz PWM dimming. The ColorOS 15 is fast and smooth with luminous rendering engine, flux themes and aqua dynamics. There is theft protection. That's it about the new Oppo Find X8. Thanks for watching.